Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode, record an empty background for a few minutes or few seconds. After that, you walk into the scene, then you can adjust yourself. What you just need here is to just stand still. All right, you can just stand still for some few seconds or some few minutes. All right, then after standing now, you can now just raise your hand. You can see what I did, or do any style or anything you like. Then after that, you can now just walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Welcome to today's tutorial guys. Click on CapCut, new project. Now import your video to workspace. All right, it's important. Look at this volume sign here, click it to silence the volume. After that, we want to mark out an empty background. For the video, we need an empty background. So at this point, you come back and click on the video, make a split. Go and look for overlay guys, locate overlay, go and look for overlay. We want to overlay this part. Click on overlay now, click on the background and go and look for freeze. Let us freeze the background. Locate freeze now, click on freeze guys, click it and drag it. After dragging it now, the next thing is to locate the part we want the video to start from. Look at you there. After adjusting yourself, the moment to stand steadfast, click it and make a split. Delete this first part, click this one and drag it to a point. All right, then you click on the video. Now you want to expound it, position it the way you want it to be. After positioning it, you click on splice guys. After positioning, click on splice. I want to reduce the texture of the character. You can reduce it to 85 or 75 or 80. After that, mark on this good, then you go back. All right, so at this point we want to go and look for mask. Locate mask guys, click on mask now, click on horizontal, then you turn this line. After turning this line now, you want to bring it down. Then you play with this feather icon. After playing with it, you add your keyframe. All right, just add your keyframe. After adding your keyframe, then you adjust the video. Then you start revealing this character. Drag the line up gradually. As you are adjusting the video and dragging the line up, the key will be adding automatically. Don't mind, don't bother about the key. Your own is just to be dragging it up. All right, look at what I am doing. Review the character. All right, reveal it, finish now, adjust it, finish. Then mark on this good now and go back. Let us play this first part and see what we have got. This is good, this is good, this is very nice. So at this point now, you want to come back. All right, just come back. We have some extra effects we want to add, but before then guys, if you have watched this video to this point, you have done well, thank you. But I want to beg you to watch this video to the end. We have some other extra effects we want to add, at least to make the video complete. All right, and if there is some CapCut tricks or magic effects you want us to create together, just go and drop all that at the comment section. All right, so that we reason together. Okay, and if you love the video you just watched earlier, or you love what we are doing, go and smash your like button. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, all right, and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. At least help us to share this video so that it will reach a wider audience out there. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial guys. So at this point, you click on this arrow here and click on add overlay. Import this green screen to workspace, import it, click on volume, then you reduce it to 0 guys. Then you mark on this good and go back. You go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG, click on remove BG, chroma key. You want to drag it and mark on this good. Then you go back, then you click it again and look for adjust. Click on adjust, HSL, click it, locate it and click it. You click on green, reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on this good now. Then you go back, expound the light. Then let us allow the video to play, all right? Allow the video to play. Let's just watch it to play to a point, all right? Allow it to play, allow it to play. Allow it to play, allow it to play. So at this point now, you want to click on the video, you add your keyframe, all right? Let us add our keyframe at this point. Add your keyframe, then you adjust the video, then you expound this effect, expound it, you adjust the video again, then you expound it, finish. So at this point now, what we are going to be doing is to bring this second layer down, make it the third, then you click this effect and make it the second layer. All right, then you drag this one and make it to align. At end now, look at how it will look like. Then you want to click on this effect, we want to split it, all right? Then you click on split. As you split it here now, you want to locate your mask. Just go and click it and go and look for mask, okay? Locate mask, guys. Locate mask. Click on mask now. Then you click on horizontal. Drag this line down. As you play with your feather icon, you drag the line down. Then you add your keyframe at the end of dragging it. Add your keyframe. Then you adjust the video again. Then you start revealing that character for the second time. Follow the one you have done before. As the line is going down, make sure they are stopping a hair where the character stop is where you'll be stopping. Follow it so that when it will be playing, they will play together. Look at what I am doing. You are adjusting it, you are revealing it, all right? At this point, you adjust it, then reveal it to a point, but don't reveal it finish yet. Stop at the head. At this point, come down a bit, then you adjust the video now, then you reveal it finish. Finish it up now. Mark on this good now, then you go back. Let us play the video now and see what we have got. Play the video. Look at what we have got so far, guys. Look at what we have got. Good. This is nice. Then you want to come back. You want to click on add overlay again. Click on add overlay, then you import this Mr. Man, this light, this one here. Then you go and look for remove BG. Guys, look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Click on chroma key, drag it, mark on that good and go back. You click it again. You go and look for adjust like we normally do. Look for adjust, click adjust, HSL, mark green, reduce saturation to 100%, mark on this good. Then you go back. Then you expound this light and bring it down. Now play it. Let us see what this effect will add to this video now. Let us see. Look at it now. We have an extra effect there. Now we have an extra effect. At this point, we are going to come back. But this place now, I want to freeze this part. The first time I throw my hand before I go out, I want to freeze it. Then you click it and go and look for freeze. All right, look for freeze. All right, go and look for freeze. If you leave the video, it will just stop here. It will not play. Click freeze. Click on this part now and delete this part. Then you delete it. Then you click this one and drag it so that we will have a longer character to work with. At this point now, we have a longer character to work with. Then come back, you click anywhere now, then you click on add overlay again. Click on add overlay, import this light here, import it, then you click on splice. Click on splice now, then you click on filter. Mark on this good and go back. Then you expound it and position it the way you want your own to be. Then you play it. Look at it now. We have an extra effect on the video now. Look at the light. This is nice. But after this, I want to still add an extra light to it. There is another light I am going to be importing again. All right. So at this point, we want to come back. Come back again. Then you mark on that arrow again. Click on add overlay. Then you import this Mr. Light here. Import this very one. Then you click on splice again, guys. Click on filter. Mark on this good. Then you go back. Mark on this good. You go back. Then you reduce the volume. That is what I just did. Then you want to trim out. There is an overlay right in there. I want to trim it out. You trim it out. After then click it and make it align with these ones. Then let us play it and see what we have got. as far as I'm concerned, at this point, this video is ready. All right, what we are going to do is to start it from the beginning. So as you are playing it, you are identifying whether there is an error to remove or to correct. All right, but as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. Then after that, you export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effect. Then you click on export. Then you export this video now to your gallery. As you can see, I am exporting the video. Just exercise patience so that this video will export 100%. Now this video have installed in our gallery. We can now share it to our social media handles. Okay guys, tell me what you make up of this video. What do you think about this video? All right, and just in case, like I said earlier, you have a CapCut magic tricks you want us to create together, all right, just go and drop all that at the comment section. All right, and if you have found value and you like this video and you like what we are doing, go and smash your like button. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. That is if you have not done that, and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.